video called Lian or Lian's Vlog. Lian Vlogs. So is her name. She doesn't know Lian. Shout out to Shout out to Starlight Glimmer Offline, Lian's Vlog, Cookie Plays Whitey, Ricky Alvarado, if I got that right, Nemia Shella Kodog, Blackstar Feed Gaming. Shout outs to all of you. And so you might be wondering, who is this Lian girl? This Lian girl is my friend Lian's Vlog.
Nagre-record ka?
Yes, you got that right too. Oh, paingay mo naman, Lucas. Okay, sorry naman. Sorry po. Sorry po nga ni. Okay. Sorry guys. So, I'm gonna look at your channels. Look at your channels because when I click this, you can see view channel over here and you will see all this. I don't know how she subscribed to me when I'm like so much off from her. This is Lian's Vlog, Vlog. And this is her videos. Wala pa siyang shorts. Okay, time for Cookie Plays Whitey. Ay, no. I'm gonna subscribe to some of you. And this, look at so many views, but yeah, I'm just gonna look at all of your channels. Ricky Alvarado. Oy, don't stay quiet. That Lian's Vlog. Your channel. Ito lang ang meron siya. I'm not complaining. Thank you for the subscribes. And Nemia Shella Kodog. I'm gonna view the channel. This is their channel. I have subscribed, and yeah, this is her. And Blackstar Feed Gaming. Let's view her channel. Oh, Mobile Legends. So I'm gonna be looking at someone close to Lian's Vlog. Alright. Search. So Lian and Ate Lois is actually sisters. I think they have like channels of their own, I think. Ayan. So, meron din kami na mga ibang like, what's that called again? What is that called again? Like, we're not the only people and in our like GC, malabay. So I'm just gonna like, so Lian, may tanong ako sa'yo. You have to answer, ha? You have to answer. Okay. Ha? Yes. This is a question for you. Okay. How many siblings do you have? Tanong lang to. For this. Wala. If you have to pick like a favorite animal, what animal would that be? I wasn't asking you. Go away. paboritong animal, anong animal yon?
Ah, ano ba? Kasa na maliit na white na super cute.
Okay. Anong paboritong holiday ang paborito mo?
Ano ang favorite kong holiday?
Yezu.
Christmas.
Ano mas gusto mo? Hikaw o bracelets?
Bracelet.
Sige, wait lang. Mag-ano muna ako. Magkukuha muna ako. So, ang dalawa mong paboritong kulay?
Dalawa kong favorite na kulay.
Yezu. Yezu nga ni.
Purple. And ano yun? Yellow.
Okay. Okay. Last question ko para sa'yo. Wait lang. Magbigay ka ng pangalan na tingin mo na gusto mo mapangalan sa'yo kung namatay ka tapos na buhay ka ulit.
Natalia.
Natalia. Okay. Sige. Let's challenge. Wait lang. Wait lang, be.
Tapos ka na mag-record?
Oh. Wait lang.
Ay, hindi pa talaga.
Oy, dun ka.
I need to see it.
Pang mga matatanda lang to.
Hindi. Nagre-record ka pa.
Nagre-record.
She don't like it.
Record.
Si Papa
Lang.
kasi gusto yung gatas.
Wait lang. Oh.
Wait,
Ito ini.
babalik ako.
Nandito ini.
Ga.
Hala,
Let me see.
ah,
Opo, ano nang nangyari?
magre-record din ako.
Si Gezu! Si Gezu! Sige guys, eto ang the end of my meeting with this girl. Okay? Please make sure to like and subscribe to both our channels. Bye-bye guys! Hello guys, I am hanging out with Leon Vlogs. That's all. Bye-bye.